Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to try to show you how to import Spritesheets into Engine or some type of other mods. So first you're gonna press 7 and you're gonna go to the character editor. And it should bring up this menu like this. And it should start on BF, who has a load of different, a good bit of different, a good bit. And you would say, here, what you would have to do first is you'd have to go to the mod of the game, or the other mod you want to import the sprite sheet from. I'm using Mario's Madness, so I have to go into Assets, and you're going to want to go into Characters, and get their JSON. This I tried importing, did not work too well, that's why I'm making the guide. Make sure you get the correct one. I'm going to do MXV2, so I'm going to copy that. And then I'm going to go into my Engine folder, go into mods. And since I have MMHell mode loaded, I'm going to put them... Where is it? I'm going to put them in this mod. So you're going to find characters, which is... Where the heck are? Up there. And paste. So once you paste that, you go back into this, then you'll either have to go to images and then characters, or actually you can also grab the icon while you're at it if you want to. What is that? Is that the MX? Yeah, that's normal. Okay. Okay, so you could also just take the icon if you want to. Images, icons, put them in there. But it won't always be directly in images. Sometimes you'll have to go to shared, and then images will be in there, which is the case with Mario's Madness. You have to go into shared, and it'll be in this images folder. Characters. Then you're going to want to find the character. So we're looking for MXV2. It should be under. There we go. Double check it. Yeah, that's correct. And you want to get both the PNG and the XML. You need both of them. So make sure you copy it. And then you go into images of Engine. Or of your other mod, characters. Paste it in there. Now it should show up in here. Probably might not show up immediately. Might also show up immediately. Typically it doesn't, but reload. MXV2. And what can happen is the game can... Jesus Christ, this guy's big. Yeah, pretty big. Anyways. What can happen here is the game won't properly load the JSON file, and they won't show up, or they'll crash the game, or all sorts of things can go wrong. And when you have that issue, you're going to have to delete the JSON file. Go back up into characters. You need to find their JSON, delete it. And then when you reload, it won't be there all of a sudden. You won't be able to select them. So what you need to do is type in image file name. Load template. You can load a template if you want. But when you do this, make sure you just copy the name. It's case sensitive and everything. The game will crash. This is 0.7.3 Engine, by the way. But the game will crash if you type even one thing wrong. And it'll say error, no animation found. Make sure it's not on FlipX. That'll be a bad thing. You still won't be able to find them in here. Just leave it. You'll have to make your own. Don't worry about this. You have to go into animations. It's actually a lot better if you don't use the template and you just find one without anything, because all of these are wrong. Whatever. Anyways, you're going to want to make sure the animation name, if it's the idle, all lowercase. Just idle. And uppercase, or this will also just be under idle. Or it might not. You'll have to go into the XML, find this specific name. In this case, it's wow, okay. MX down and MX idle. So, initial symbol, MX idle. And you add it, and it will probably set itself improperly, which is not good. This will be if they're idle. Once you have it, you need to move it to the correct position. Once you move it to the correct position, it's actually probably isn't the correct position anyway. They're freaking 12 feet. It's hard to tell. Once you have it in the correct position, add such update, and do the next one. Animation name. Make sure if it's going to be a sing note, all lowercase sing, and then all uppercase what note is singing. Like, say, left would be all uppercase. And you just change this to the value of the left. And that'll play the left note. Oh, and that'll crash the game. Fuck! I'm back. I just, put back the original MXJSON file, but, don't worry. It's pretty much the same thing. I just had to do that because it crashed the game, and I don't want to redo it. Anyways, once you have all the animations they have... Oh crap, they don't. I thought they'd have a transform. Anyways, once you have them all, and they're all properly done, you need to click Save Character. And then make sure you go into the correct mod where you have the character saved. Characters. Jason's. Click Save. If it already exists, just replace it. And they work now. Let's go into a song to show you. God, this is loud. And from my experience, they only load properly if you have their whole thing set up in the mod. You could still load them from the debug menu, but they won't load properly and will crash the game sometimes. So let's go in the chart editor, go into song, change your opponent, MXV2. Let's see if they work. Now they work. Oh, this is so cursed. I'm just gonna see how I can go now. I have this, like, yeah, I have the, all the settings set to, like, maximum difficulty. So, ignore that. Anyways, that was how to deal with the annoying thing of importing characters. This is how it works, actually. This should work with, Xythe engine as well. Not positive, I'll try it myself. Yeah, you can tell I took it out of here. But, main thing is, sometimes mods you get it from, like you want to import to another mod or psych engine, their JSON file and for some characters will be written really poorly. For instance, or not even really poorly, it's just like written in a way that you can't really import it. For instance, Mr. V. I had huge problems importing Mr. V in the psych engine. So, like, I had to do all that. But, that's how you do it. Here, let me see if it works in Xythe. Let's see if I got. Took me a good bit to get this running. Fine flashing light. You're not gonna really see any. Aside from probably this one. Boom. Yeah, whatever. This is nice. And get in the character editor. This should work as well. Let me check. Yep. It works in Xythe Engine too. I don't know why I thought it wouldn't work. Why? Hey. I put the icon in here. So, you can just do this exact thing if you have to. Hope you guys enjoyed. If it helped. If it helped. No problem. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe to see more. I'll see you guys all in the next video.